WeatherGuard truck boxes utilize automotive-grade latches and high-strength latch strikers designed to open with a single touch of the button and close securely with ease. However, boxes can bend or shift during day-to-day use from vibrations while trucks are in motion or because of environmental factors. This video covers 5 field adjustments for WeatherGuard truck boxes that are compatible with WeatherGuard and WeatherGuard Defender Series truck boxes. Tools required are a rubber mallet, a 3/8 inch wrench, shims or washers, and pliers. Lid alignment. Sometimes the side rails of a truck are not perfectly even and can cause the box to be warped slightly when mounted, causing the lid to bend out of shape. The following will demonstrate how to adjust the lid if it becomes uneven. A rubber mallet is required. Step 1. Place the rubber mallet at the opposite end of the lid for leverage. Step 2. Provide slight downward pressure to the uneven end of the lid. Step 3. Test to make sure the lid closes properly. Adjustment lid clearance. Everyday use may cause the lid to bend out of shape, preventing it from closing properly. The following will demonstrate how to adjust lid clearance. A rubber mallet for leverage is required. Step 1. Place the rubber mallet in the corner with alignment issue between the lid and the box. Step 2. Provide outward pressure to bend into shape. Step 3. Test to make sure the lid closes properly. Striker extension. Sometimes the side rails of a truck are not perfectly even and can cause the box to be warped slightly, causing latching issues. The following will demonstrate how to extend the strikers for proper latch. A 3/8 inch wrench and shims or washers are required. Complementary shims can be sourced through WeatherGuard customer care. Step 1. Loosen the bolts with the 3/8 inch wrench. Step 2. Place the shim or shims between the lid and the striker and tighten the bolts. If shims are not available, washers can be used instead. Step 3. Test to make sure the striker latches properly. Adjusting a pushrod. Sometimes truck boxes won't latch when pressed close. A common cause is misalignment of a pushrod. A set of pliers are required. This adjustment does not apply to the Defender series. Step 1. Using the pliers, carefully apply pressure to move or bend the pushrod into place. Step 2. Test to make sure the box closes properly. Weatherstrip replacement. WeatherGuard uses automotive D-style weather stripping to completely seal boxes. Missing or misaligned weather stripping will not provide a proper barrier to seal the box and may result in leaking. Warranty replacement weather stripping can be sourced through WeatherGuard customer care. Step 1. Remove the old weather stripping. Step 2. Remove adhesive backing from about 5 inches of the replacement weather stripping. Step 3. Starting in a corner, apply replacement weather stripping, being sure to slightly bunch it together. This will allow the strip to expand and provide a tighter seal as it settles into the box. After applied, cut excess to fit. Note: avoid stretching the rubber since it will contract over time and leave gaps. If you need more assistance, call our customer service or visit our website.